Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hello little friends. Let's draw and color your favorite ice cream. Get ready to scoop up some fun and creativity. Grab your crayons, markers, or paints and draw your favorite ice cream flavors.
Bravo! Awesome!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
Cool!
O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know ABC. Sing with me.
Whoa!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Q, R, S,
Awesome!
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.